We have all wondered at some point, why can powerful themes be simple and lightweight? Well, now they finally can, because we present VMagazine, a newspaper and magazine WordPress theme that is super powerful, and yet it's easy, lightweight and fast. This theme, VMagazine, comes up with 4 pre-built demos that you can import with just one click of a button. And now here is the first demo that you can import. The second one, a glimpse of the third one, and a glimpse of the fourth demo. VMagazine has 20 plus magazine widget blogs that you can use to enhance your website even further. We even have a built-in post-review module. Here is the percentage module, the point module, and star-based module. There is a built-in mega menu with VMagazine. And 6 premium plugins worth $127 is attached with the theme. So these all pictures are of those premium plugins that come attached with the theme. So 6 premium plugins worth $127 come free with VMagazine. Also, 4 different header options are available for you to choose from. This was the first one. This is the second one. 4 different header options for you to choose from in VMagazine. VMagazine is also GDPR compatible, which means none of your data will be stored by the theme. Your data will be absolutely safe and secure. Also, there is a live Ajax search to make everything search faster. We even have flexible advertisement management with VMagazine, which means you can place your advertisement anywhere, absolutely anywhere you want with VMagazine. And here we are showing you the front end and we showed you the back end of how this works. So you can place your advertisement anywhere in your website using Page Builder. And of course, the documentation of VMagazine is absolutely top notch. You can use our documentation page to know every single detail about the theme. Here are all the details. You can even use our live chat option of AccessPress themes and also our online forum to submit your queries or ask anything about the theme. So this is all about VMagazine. We have the top-notch documentation, GDPR compatibility, and everything else you need to give your website the perfect look. If you want to know more about this theme, please check the demo documentation and purchase links right below. This was a short introduction of VMagazine.